Hello! We're here at the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and I'm here with Joe from Seatow, and he's going to tell us a little bit about himself and about the program that Seatow's offer to you.
Hi, my name is Joe. I'm from Seatow, Miami. I'm the office manager there. Seatow is pretty much the easiest way to put it. Don't want to compare, but it's AAA in the water for boats. So any type of assistance, as in towing, due to electrical engine issues, we take you back to your safe home dock or ramp that you came out of. We assist in battery jumps, fuel drops, and also soft on groundings. We also do salvages, which is not included in the Seatow service, but we would gladly provide that service. So for any type of assistance in your boating needs, that's what we're there for.
That's awesome. And are you guys offering any specials here at the show?
Yes, we are. It's $20 off from our normal $179 price,
right.
So it'll be $159. And you also get some free goodies if you come and renew or sign up at the show.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Joe. If you're in the area, stop by and talk to Joe. Talk a little bit about why Seatow is something that you should have if you are a boat owner. And, you know, if you can't join us in person, you can hit MarineMax.com/online boat show. We're bringing the show to your living room. If you're not able to be in Fort Lauderdale this weekend, you're getting boat specials. You can place a deposit to hold the boat you fall in love with. You can chat live with the boating expert. Everything you need to know. You can see inside tips like this right here. So if you're here, come by and visit Joe at Seatow, or we'll see you online.
Come join the show.